Today we're going to unbox and review the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Handstick Vacuum. Is it worth it? Before I get started, I ask that you take time to read our disclaimer. And while you're reading, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, as it'll really help this channel tremendously. And with that being said, let's get started on the video. This is a Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Handstick Vacuum. Wow, isn't that a mouthful? As of today, it currently retails for $999 at Bingley, but you can probably get it for a cheaper price on sites like David Jones. The measurements for this vacuum are 259mm in width, 1249mm in depth, and 250mm in height. The weight of this vacuum is around 2.68 kilograms. Some of the key features are powerful suction across all surfaces, up to 60 minutes of fade-free suction, 3 power modes, quickly transforms to a handheld, point and shoot hygienic bin emptying, and drop-in docking. In the box it includes Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal 1, direct drive cleaner head, combination tool, Pervice tool, I probably pronounced that wrong, mini motorized tool, soft dusting brush, and drop-in docking. So how do we use this V10 vacuum? First, charge your Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. A full charge might take up to 30 minutes. Connect the one and the bin. Attach the cleaner head. Change the mode accordingly and use the vacuum. After that, throw the dirt in the bin. I think this product is 100% worth it. I've personally used this product myself and could very well say that the battery has lasted up to 20 minutes on boost mode. It's very easy to clean with, and it comes with tons of different accessories. This vacuum is amazing at sucking up dirt, dust, and even animal hair. It's compact, light, easy to store, and easy to empty out. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you bought this vacuum, and what are your thoughts on it. Till next time.